Yo, what's up? This is Nick. I'm back with another unboxing. I just received my 2025 summer GQ subscription box. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Okay. Always when you get this box, it's a description. You get this description card. It lets you know everything that's in the box and lets you know everything, like a great description and what the item is worth. Okay, so let's see what I have first. The first item I have is a razor. I mainly use Harry's brand of razors, but I'm excited to try this brand. It's called Supply. Let's see how much this is worth. It's a great looking razor. They have it listed at $80, so I'm very excited to try this, see how it feels, how it stays sharp. But like I said, I use Harry's, but this is a great metal razor, and I'm excited to try this. This I know I will use. Second product I have is the whole body Deo, all over body spray deodorant by Dove Men Care. This I know I will use. Before they sent us a stick of deodorant, it might have been unscented, but this one is shea butter cedar. Let me see how it smells. Mmm, very clean, very fresh. So this I know I will use too this summer to stay fresh, to stay feeling good, suitable for pits, privates, and feet. This is retail at $11.99. So this I know I will use to stay fresh. It smells very good, spray, very easy to apply. Next up I have the Ole Henriksen dark spot toner for your face. You can use this for your when you clean your face and your skincare regimen for dark spots. It's supposed to target those dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, keep you looking young, work on that skin texture, keep your skin hydrated and looking good. So this I will use too. So far, 3 out of 3 products I will try. And this one retails at $35. So I can't wait to try this. 3 for 3, like I said, I know I will use all 3 of those items so far. Next up, I have a white t-shirt. I'm generally black t-shirt, but this is a white t-shirt. I guess it's a collab with a company called Everybody World and the GQ Box collab t-shirt. I can't wait to try this. I generally like the t-shirts that feel real good on the skin, that kind of hug. Like I said, I'm a black t-shirt, but I will give this a try and see how it feels. This one is retailed at $40. So I'm expecting a lot out of a $40 t-shirt. Um, what was I thinking? This is a great product. Oh, that's what I was going to tell you. Whenever you get stuff with sizes, whether it's shoes, whether it's a t-shirt, what else have I gotten? Swim trunks. You just get this QR code. You scan that, put in your order, your size, and it always comes very fast. You don't have to wait that long to get your items. But you get these cool cards whenever it's required a size, so you are able to get the size that you want. Next up, I have a static omni cable universal charging cable. This I know I will use, so 4 products I know I'm going to use this summer. I'm a C cable. Mainly most of my stuff is a C cable. Some cords I get, a lot of times it takes a long time to charge or it doesn't charge. So I'll be interested to see how fast and if this charges my phone very quick. But I can't wait to try it. It has all the attachments. So yeah, I think most of my stuff is a C cord. I know I've had headphones that have a different cord, but I can't wait to try the speed of this. This retails for $12.99. So I can't wait to just see if it's going to charge my stuff super fast. The next and the final product I have in my box is a Swell water bottle. I've always heard great things about the Swell water bottle. It's going to keep my water hot and cold. My favorite color. So I know I will be using this. All bottles I get, I always get the black bottle. I love everything black. From my t-shirt to my water bottle. So this, I know I will be using it, and it's starting to get hot. And so I have been trying to carry my water bottle every day to stay hydrated. But yeah, it will keep your water cold and it will keep it hot, but I will use this. So most of the products I have, I will use. Like I said, you get this box, it's about $60 a month. You always get $200 to $300 in products. I think this one is almost about $270. And all things that I know I will use. Sometimes I test out stuff, but these are all products that I know I will use. Um, if you get the subscription box, let me know. Give me feedback. I did a video on the box before. Got great feedback. The feedback was pretty accurate. A lot of people told me what they liked and didn't like, which was great. If you subscribe, let me know what you think about the box. But if you don't get the box, I think it's something that I do highly recommend. Make sure you like, subscribe so we can stay connected. I'll catch you on the next video.